Sitting on the wall, finger on the trigger and the on the hall. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog. Run me a minute, dog. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Here come the jokes. Well, I like chicken and I like grits and I like girls with real big teeth. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog. Round me a man dog. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Now two old ladies laying in the sand, each one wishing that the other was a man. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog. Round me a man dog. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Well, I got a gal that's 10 feet tall, sleeps in her bed with her legs in the hall. Honey, let me be your salty. The toes are sticking out. Let me be your salty dog, or I'm gonna be your manny dog. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Well, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I'm gonna be your manny dog. Honey, let me be your salty dog. What the hell's a salty dog? Honey, let me be your salty dog.